Join me as I dive into the crazy idea of whether a supervolcano could actually shift Earth's orbit. Let's explore this wild concept together. Supervolcanoes are a fascinating, yet intimidating force of nature that have shaped our planet's geological history. These massive volcanoes have the potential to release enormous amounts of energy, causing catastrophic consequences on a global scale. Imagine a volcanic eruption so powerful that it could alter the very path of our planet through space. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi disaster movie, right? But is it really possible? Let's dig deeper into this hypothetical scenario. A supervolcano eruption capable of affecting Earth's orbit would need to be so massive that it would release an enormous amount of kinetic energy into the atmosphere. This energy would then need to be transferred to the solid Earth somehow to cause a significant change in our planet's orbit. The scale of such an event is almost unimaginable, but it's worth exploring the possibilities. For instance, the eruption would need to be so powerful that it would create massive shock waves that would travel through the Earth's crust, mantle, and core, ultimately affecting the planet's rotation and orbit. The chances of such an event occurring are extremely low, but it's interesting to consider the mechanisms that could make it happen. One possible scenario could be an eruption that triggers a massive release of magma and gas into the atmosphere, potentially causing a shift in the Earth's center of mass. So how do supervolcano eruptions occur in the first place? These eruptions are caused by the buildup of magma and gas beneath the surface of the Earth, which eventually reaches a critical point, leading to a massive release of energy. The frequency of these events is hard to predict, but scientists believe that they occur approximately every 50,000 to 100,000 years. The mechanisms that could potentially shift Earth's orbit are still purely theoretical and require further research. However, scientists have proposed a few possibilities, including the redistribution of mass within the Earth's crust and mantle, or even the creation of massive shockwaves that could affect the planet's rotation. Research has shown that massive volcanic eruptions can indeed cause small changes in the Earth's rotation and orbit. For example, the 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora led to a noticeable cooling of the planet, which in turn affected the Earth's rotation. While this is a far cry from shifting the entire orbit, it does demonstrate that volcanic eruptions can have a significant impact on our planet. There are many scientific theories surrounding the possibility of a supervolcano impacting Earth's path in space. Some propose that a massive eruption could even trigger a shift in the Earth's axis, leading to drastic changes in the climate. While these ideas may seem like the stuff of science fiction, they're based on real scientific principles and are worth exploring further. In conclusion, while the idea of a supervolcano shifting Earth's orbit is still firmly in the realm of speculation, it's an intriguing thought experiment that can help us better understand the complex interactions between our planet's geology and its place in the universe. The rarity of such an event should reassure us, but it's essential to acknowledge the possibility, no matter how remote, and continue to explore and learn more about our incredible planet. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride into the world of supervolcanoes and orbital dynamics. If you've got thoughts on this topic, please share them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out some of our other videos on geological phenomena. There's a whole world of fascinating topics to explore.